everybody to Supercomputing 2013. I'm Jeff Denworth, VP of Marketing for DataDirect Networks. We're excited to be here. It's our 15th Supercomputing trade show and our biggest one ever. We've got the biggest booth in the show and showing off a bunch of amazing technologies from exascale to every scale technology. HPC to DDN, it's our largest marketplace that we address. We've been in the HPC marketplace for 15 years. We're the worldwide leader in HPC storage systems and technologies, and Supercomputing 2013 is one where everything really comes together for the company. So we've got the world leadership platforms for both parallel file system, cloud storage, and even exascale storage technologies that we're unveiling at the show. And really the objective is to provide the best system utilization, the best performance to really power applications that drive new discoveries and insight, and ultimately make our customers' infrastructure more efficient, lower cost, and easier to use. So we're making a ton of amazing announcements at the show, ranging from new product introductions to technology unveilings to showcasing some of the world's most innovative storage deployments that are done by our customers. So first and foremost, this week we announced the SFA12KX platform. This is the performance upgrade of the SFA12K system, which happens to be the flagship HPC storage platform in the marketplace. The 12KX enables customers to run at around 20% faster than they have with traditional SFA systems. We're also unveiling for the first time an exascale storage technology that we'll be releasing over the coming years. But we really wanted to start socializing the topic with some of the world's computing leaders by showcasing the benefits of using this in their HPC environment. So it's complementary to parallel file systems. We call it the infinite memory engine, and basically what it does is it takes all this new flash technology that people are deploying in their network on their cluster, it aggregates it, makes it work very seamlessly with the parallel file system, and can accelerate environments by up to 200,000%. So it's an amazing number. We're actually at the booth showing the demo of this system working comparatively to parallel file systems and in conjunction with parallel file systems. So it's enabling customers in the future to save a tremendous amount of money, floor space, power, cooling in their environments, and accelerate their applications. And then beyond that, we're announcing a number of new customer deployments. For example, last week we announced that Suzuki's deployed our technology to help them accelerate design manufacturing. At the show, we have a really thought leader deployment of our WAS product, which is a next generation cloud storage system, where Circa, the Sunshine State Education Research Consortium, was deploying 6 sites, all researching on a common data set, where we're accelerating their ability to really collaborate in an efficient and a seamless fashion by using powerful cloud storage technology. So data-driven computing for us is really a reflection of what's going on in our customer environments, right? What we're seeing is this needle shift way up in terms of the prioritization of storage as an initiative within our customer environments as a consequence of really the data growth that's going on resulting from applications ranging from simulation to big data. And so at the show, data-driven computing is a reflection of the fact that storage is in some way becoming the biggest priority for our customers. We did a customer survey where 60% of our customers responded with data storage infrastructure being the key priority for HPC today and going forward. And beyond that, we've got all sorts of technologies where data and computing really start to meld. An example of that is the infinite memory engine, where we're literally just running a cluster of our software that's the compute cluster, also populated with flash technology where compute is the storage. So our belief is that everything in the future is data-driven, and DDN's right at the forefront, making that accessible for customers and accelerating applications as a function of having that end-to-end understanding. It's an amazing year for Lustre Technology. DDN has been at the forefront of working with Lustre Technology for the better part of a decade. We support many of the world's largest deployments and are one of the leaders in the space for deploying parallel file systems. We've taken Lustre to a new level. So Lustre as a core parallel file system platform has become quite mature, but it's still missing a number of features and functionality that we believe are critical to HPC researchers. So whereas the platform is stabilizing and Intel's doing amazing things, in particular the work that they're doing, for example, with Hadoop and bringing big data to HPC, beyond that, we're enabling the commercialization of that platform and the use of it in new and innovative ways. So we do have our appliance management tool that we call DirectMon. we've announced a flash caching technology that's complementary to our RAM cache, where we can bring the effective utilization of Lustre systems up to near 100% based upon very non-deterministic workloads. Beyond that, we have announced that we've enabled Lustre to work in conjunction with our object storage system so that we can bring the power of collaboration to a number of independent Lustre systems or Lustre users. So imagine a cloud, if you will, of Lustre systems, all synchronized and managed by our WAS framework. And that's really a lot of the innovation that we believe is critical to really making Lustre usable across the marketplace for a wide range of applications. 2014 for DDN is going to be, we believe, our biggest year ever. We have already in the pipeline a number of really, really large systems where people are going to get to really kind of two different eras of computing. Our every scale customers will now be looking at deploying parallel storage technology and cloud storage in new and different ways because their applications are hitting bottlenecks and their discovery processes are hitting bottlenecks. But then on the flip side of the equation, we have our really, really large customers, and these guys are going to be hitting real scalability walls. We're going with them on the journey to building fractional exascale systems next year, and you're going to start to see the pains of exascale as well as the benefits of new technologies really come together in 2014. So thanks to all of our customers and all of our partners that came to see us. Thanks for coming in and listening to the story at the DDN booth, and we'll see you next year in New Orleans.